Hey guys, we're going back to
Why?
Today we are gonna be going to the beach.
I'm here with.
She's with her friends today. So hi. What was that? Okay.
Oh my god, I ended. Hi guys, so today we're gonna go to the beach.
She was started.
I'm here with.
She's spelling her
With
name.
Maylene. I forgot his name, and that guy.
What do you mean you forgot his name?
And
Look, he's already finds out.
We're going to the beach.
we had to wake up early so that we could
We woke up at like 7 o'clock today for this.
and we're gonna be there like
The beach is always closed there, so we have to be very early.
9:47.
Like 10 minutes early.
Better go. I'm going to pick them up.
Yeah, we have to pick these people up.
Alex, why are you like copying everything I said?
Because I don't know what to say.
Anyways, I'll see you there.
Okay, see you. Okay, we are now at the beach. They are still putting on suntan and stuff over there. My sister over there is turning into Grimace. It's not that hot today. The sand is not hot. Nothing is hot. But I hear a lot of high tide over there. My sister just walk around everywhere. Okay. There's my dad over there. Putting on, and this is my mom turning into my sister's turning into Grimace again.
Oh, the thing's on.
This guy over there is turning into a very Grimace-y. Okay, I'll see you guys soon.
I see my face still.
Yes, she's checking out her face.
Because.
She's turning into Grimace.
Bro, you look so ugly. Mix it.
Your arms look like Grimace, sir. Okay, happy birthday, Grimace. Okay, we just got out of the pool. You could see my hands are like old. And we're just chilling now. The waves are so strong that me and my dad both fell. And his glasses flew away. But now he has it again. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Okay, we are now going to the boardwalk. They're just playing some weird games over there. I don't know what they're doing.
When you pass,
Abby's asking weird questions, and I'm trying to talk as loud as I can so that I don't get copyrighted. My sister's trying to do that too. Okay. 1 like equals 1 poor Jane. Okay, so there's like a water park over there. They're gossiping over there, and then I accidentally turned my camera. See, what did you say you're gossiping about?
Gossip.
Ew. Gossip. They're the gossip girls. Look, that ride literally goes upside down. She said she wants to go on that ride. That ride goes like a loop-de-loop. I'll cry. Literally cry if I went on that. She licked her lips and said, I want to go there. And then she jumps in the water. Wait, but that's even scarier. You know why? That it goes above water too. Remember, the ocean is beside it.
Oh, look, they're upside down.
They're upside down. I cannot do that at all.
Is there anyone on there? Oh, where? No, I literally saw someone there.
If it's, we just finished eating their pho, and this person is.
Why do you always film when I
Because that's
What's that, like that?
And then that girl over there is still eating, and that girl over there is still eating. And there's mommy and dada. And I'll see you guys later. Speak now. Oops.
Have you tried beef? Have you tried beef?
Alex, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so tell them where you are.
We're at the boardwalk now. I'm saying New York City. Look at the Ferris wheel. Wait, they're about to stop.
That's not a.
Wait, Mommy, did you get the dog? Look at the shop. Look, they have hermit. Okay, see you guys later. At the Pinot Pier.
No, just say hi first.
Hi.
Okay, go.
Alright, now we're at the Pinot Pier. Whoa, duck. Oh, the thing is kind of... I want to go on that. Look, the Ferris wheel's not moving. I want to go on the...
No, you guys did this on Friday already. Say bye. See you later.
Alright guys, we just left. Oh my gosh. What? Okay, we just left.
Hey guys, it's
We're now going home. And dropping them off.
he's dead. Anyways, we're gonna go.
Yeah, that guy right there is dead.
We're gonna go home now. And this is the end of the video.
Look.
Bye guys. Thank you for watching.
Okay, thanks for watching. Thank you guys for watching. I don't even know if you guys are gonna watch the video. Okay, bye.